What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, we're doing another special pickup, this time in the Union collab of the Air Jordan 4 Off Noir. Let's get to it. Alright, so shout out to my guys over at BSTN. They are the ones that supplied the sneaker for me. I know in the United States it was pushed back to October 16th and it's going to be a draw on the sneakers app, but internationally they still kept with their same release date of September 30, 2020. Yeah, this was one of the ones that I was trying for when Union dropped a couple weeks ago, and as soon as I saw the guava in hand, or when I had the guava in hand, it's kind of like, well, now that I have this one, you have to go back and complete the set, right? Again, shout out to Ryan for, assisting me with that video here. I'll post the link up here so you guys can check that one out. But the guava colorway is a nice colorway. Really when you get these things in hand, you don't really appreciate like the little nuances, the different things that go on with the sneaker. And a lot of people, a lot of purists are really upset on how the Jordan 4, many other Jordans, Jordan 1, the Jordan 3, they all get like chopped up and they get, pretty much put through the ringer of Jordans in general and collabs and stuff. So, I mean, this is how I think about it. And, I'm a collector. I love Air Jordans and all that. But I look at it this way. You're taking something that's a classic and you're, trying to visualize it in a different perspective. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my classics. I love my white cement 3s, my fire red 4s, metallic 5s, all that. But we all know that Jordan Brand does end up chopping those guys up whenever they do their retros. So whenever I do my comparison reviews, like every single one is not the same. And that may be on purpose, it may not be, but again, it's like one of those things where like over the years you kind of see and you pick and choose like what are some of the things that Jordan Brand is going to do different this time on a sneaker. So anyways, back to the collaboration type thing, like this is a whole new thought, rolling down the tongue, unstitching it to bring it back up, the different colors, the placement of things, like the unfinished pieces like the wing and the foam, that's all like the visual perspective and collaboration between the collaborator and the brand. So like I'm not really mad at it. There's some things like I noted in the guava release video that I did is that I didn't like the vintage looking sole. So I mean, if you're a person that is coming in here as an independent and you're really trying to give your point of view, you purchased the sneaker, you're the one that's reviewing it, you're the one that's giving your thoughts on it. So unless you have like some super special contract with the brands or whatnot, non-compete type thing, like that's between you and the brand. But me as an independent, like I am entitled to my opinion. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there are as well. And yeah, it's just something that's really nice to be able to like freely talk about my thoughts, as well as yours. And you know, that's what you have. You can drop down your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of like the whole collaboration thing. But you know, maybe I'll go much more into depth with that in another video. But today we're doing the Off Noir, Off Noir, Off Noir. Like I always get that word like mixed up, but Off Noir Air Jordan 4 by Union. So again, just like the guava pair, just different placement of colors. This one I liked a lot more. The guava pair is going to be exclusive to Union, so if you guys were able to get that colorway, you guys are in luck. I would assume that that colorway would jump up in price because it's more of an exclusive piece out there in the landscape, the sneaker landscape. And this one has a lot more pairs being produced, so it's a little bit more attainable in comparison to the guava. But this one I like the most. You know, it's a black base. You know, you can pretty much wear this, I suppose, with, you know, like normal clothes, I guess, unless you're you know, you're really out there with the guava colorway and you love it and you want to really stand out. You know, don't get me wrong, like this one you can stand out as well, but you know, the guava pair is just pretty crazy in itself. But anyways, I thought the blacks, the blues, the reds, I thought the red could be a little bit more brighter. This one is a little bit more on the lighter side. So, you know, I thought it was okay. I thought the blue was pretty cool. They did like a, you know, a military blue inspiration with that, and incorporating that into the sneaker. You know, it did come with an extra set of laces. This one came with yellow laces. You know, if they came with the alternating blue laces, I thought that would be pretty dope as well. Or even like, you know, the I don't even know if you want to call that red or like punch berry or something like that. But you know, even if you had that. So I mean, lace swaps are always easy. The ones that come with the shoes are going to be black. You get an extra set of yellow. But yeah, you can totally like get in there and change the laces all you want. So I mean, there's not too much to say really, other than, you know, you guys saw my guava Air Jordan 4 video there. But you know, same box, same paper. You know, nothing else really included in there. Here's the box label if you guys are interested. And you know, that's really that. If you guys are wondering why there is no attached pricing on there, it's because it's an international pair. International does not have US retail on their box labels, so don't be alarmed. BSTN is an established and accredited Jordan account holder, so you know, if you guys purchase from them, you guys are, you know, buying the authentic stuff. So they also sell a bunch of like jerseys, NBA jerseys, gear, and of course the sneakers as well. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I just picked up their Kobe home rookie Lakers jersey from 1996-97. So you know, if I kind of request something, like you know, they look out, so it's pretty awesome. But anyways, yeah, shop with them with ease. I'll drop a link in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But if you guys, you know, want to get this pair or the other Union collabs on StockX, I have an affiliate link that I'll also drop in the description box below as well. So you know, you purchase off there and I get a little bit of a kickback on the sale. So that's about it. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the sneaker itself. Again, like I said, it's not too much different from the guava pair other than the color placements and whatnot. Same type of deal, the suedes, the mesh, the netting, everything is like, you know, pretty spot on with the guava pair. But anyways, again, in the United States, release date will be October 16. If you guys were fortunate enough to get it off Union's site, you know, kudos to you. Let me know what you guys think of your current pair. Are you guys reselling this? I know they're going for, you know, upwards of close to $1,000, maybe even less, because you know the official drop from sneakers has not yet, you know, been done. But you know, internationally they've released. But again, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on everything else. And you know, check out my video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all you guys, you know, like the support in me and what I do, and that goes across like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.